picture I like to see in the morning. Everybody's waiting on Mom. Well, good morning, everybody. Hi. Hello, hello. It's Thursday. It's shopping day. Don told me I wasn't going to like it out here. What a difference in humidity and heat between yesterday and today. It's downright sticky this morning. Whereas yesterday it was a bit chilling. There you go. So it's super cloudy today. We did see the owls a good bit last night. I got some footage. It's very hard for me to zoom in the focus manually and get it right. Unfortunately, the video clips are a little blurry, but not too blurry to appreciate, especially with the owl calls in them. In order to keep it from going in and out of focus constantly, I have to manually focus the video. So it's making some noise now, but it makes a lot more noise if I don't. Hi, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Got chicken. Yeah, the humidity is much more oppressive today. I'm definitely noticing it. Well, I've officially seen really brand new poison ivy, oil-filled, worst of the season stuff over there along the wood line.
You see poison ivy?
Yep, and I have a 1 centimeter bubble patch on my wrist from yesterday. I pulled a wild grapevine out of the ground, and probably there was some poison ivy near it. And I'm lucky it's just a little centimeter. But at 4 a.m., it started itching. Ooh! It was a contributing factor to another night where I only got 4 or 5 hours sleep. So I'll be dead later this afternoon. I've tried so hard to go back to sleep, and between 4:30 and 7:30, I nodded off a time or two, and that was it. I'm having trouble feeding Nighttime her little midnight snack, because Marty insists that every food bowl in the house belongs to him, and he pushes everybody out of the way. And so I didn't feed her last night, and I think she was a little restless because she was hungry. So I'm gonna have to brainstorm on how I'm gonna fix this issue. Marty does not get all of Nighttime's food, certainly doesn't need all of Nighttime's food. But yeah, the poison ivy's out, and it's not a good thing. I've just got my first little patch of what I'm sure will be many more this season. Tires, shine, and pollen, a winning combination.
Yeah.
Thank you for putting it up for me. I'm sure you'll figure out how to get it to be straighter.
Yeah, well, I think you're going to have to actually tie this one because it's got a round bottom.
Michelle is on her way and will catch up with me in a few. They have added more shelving. And Michelle is here now, and this is for sushi.
Yes. Oh, look how
It is pretty cute. Pretty fancy.
Eat it.
Well, you told me I needed to make it for you, so
Oh boy.
there it is.
Goodness.
There it is.
Look at that face hugger.
It's a little fragile, but it mostly it stays together good enough.
Oh.
I mean, it's built properly, you know. It's just,
I didn't understand yet because it is Lego.
yep.
That is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a freaking awesome, Miss Marianne. I can't believe you did it.
Well, of course I did. That was an easy thing to handle.
Oh, Connor and Sean and everybody, they're gonna freak out.
Wise old owl looking even wiser with the glasses. Okay, imagine midnight hopping in there and then sticking his face out. And this one's only $6, so technically that one's affordable, not, $30 or something crazy. Well, for $1.25, that one can come home with me for summer. Not the best find ever, but it is a good find. It's got mermaids on it. Yep.
I'm gonna put it on my fridge. Attention! I am out of order until further notice. stupid people filter needs cleaning, and my give a damn batteries have run out.
Is it past your bedtime? Cute owl. That towel. Shirt 1. Shirt 2. This is Life is Good. I've got a crush on nature. They had these really nice sweatshirts for $1. They're trying to get rid of them. And 3 wind socks. These are not high dollar ones, 69¢, but they'll last a season. My chick's all nice and straight over there. Did you work some additional magic?
Yeah. I've got a lanyard on it there, and it's good.
So I should be careful not to buy ones with round bottoms.
Well, it's kind of gives it a definite movement.
Yeah. Hey there, I've just got a few things. I'll pop the trunk and then I'll pull Ruby in. It's just a couple bags. I don't think there's anything fragile today.
Okay, well that's good.
Well, UPS is in trouble with me again. They left my Rubbermaid storage containers and my latest order from Bamboo filament and stuff out at the street. The Rubbermaid box is huge. It's those big tough tote, like 20-gallon containers or something, and there's 10 of them, so it's a pretty sizable box. I told Don, I said, please go get it in the car because you're not going to carry that back on the unicycle, and I'm waiting in the queue to give UPS some feedback. I know the guy that comes on a pretty regular basis. He wouldn't have done that. He's a nice guy. He cares about his job, and there's nothing on our profile that says you can't come to the house. And oh, by the way, they're not doing me a favor by bringing my stuff to the house, right? They're doing their job, and I want them to do their job. So anyway, we'll give him a little feedback. Well, he does have the trunk closed, so I guess he was able to get that one big box in the car. I'm not kidding about the size of the box. You did get it, both of them fit in there. That's the little box.
I actually took a little challenge. I had my third orientation made it work.
Yeah, you were down there for a bit, so I thought that one box must be giving Don a little bit of trouble. I told you it was huge. Yeah, so not only did they not deliver to the house and expose our stuff to potential threat and irritate me and all of that stuff, but they left like one of the biggest boxes we'll order. Yeah, pollen. One of the biggest boxes we'll order the entire year down at the street.
That's correct.
Thanks for going and getting it.
Yeah, that was strange. It's even actually a little heavy.
I know, it's heavy. It's those tough tote containers. It's huge.